Welcome to Adventure Driven Garage. An update. So we're taking all 5 wheels and tires and taking this Hutchison split rims apart. I'm going to show you how I do it because it's really not that hard. I searched and searched on the internet and just really couldn't find what I was looking for of a procedure, just how to get these wheels apart. It's really, I have the aluminum wheels off in M-wrap, and so maybe my results are different because they're not steel, but I was surprised on how simple it is just to get them apart and get them out. So let's get to work. Alright, so this is a close-up of what I'm working with. This is the Hutchison aluminum split rim, and so first I've got to take all these nuts off, and so the rim will come apart. Okay, so next I have the pry bar tool and some soapy water, and then this front rim should pop right off. Let's go. That was hard. Okay, so next I have these rubber wheel chocks. I have 2 of them. I'm going to put them side by side behind me, roll the tire over, and just drop it face first. And the rim almost just pops out the other side. Sometimes you got to give it a little help, but it's a little trick I learned, so you can use your wheel chocks for more than one thing. Alright, a little soapy water next. Ta-da! And there you go. Not too terrible bad. It's something we could do on the trail if we have to. It's good to know how to do it. It's good to be able to learn in a nice shop instead of the blowing snow. Thanks for watching.